Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As of every week, we'll jump into the fundamental, sentiment and technical analysis of different currencies to see which opportunities we have during the next week. Now, before we jump into this analysis, we will have a recap of previous week and how I made around 15% on my account based on this strategy that I'm using. Let's start now. Starting with EURCHF, I was anticipating EURCHF to be bullish. Previous week, I waited for data for the economic sentiment on Euro to come, and it came very higher than expected. I entered at this candle. This is the news candle, hourly candle, after we retraced into an important area on the daily zone. So if we go to the daily zone, this is a daily zone that was important. We have a retracement to the downside. I took the entry, but I did not close my position here. We moved to the upside. Then data came out negative at this area, and I closed my position on this next candle. On this bullish candle, I closed my position. Now, another trade that I took was EURCAD. Same idea, but EURCAD entry was before news, before 20 hours of the news. I had this shift in market structure right here. Then I should have entered at this retracement, but I was not awake. And then I entered at this area right here, stop loss below this area, and also data came out negative for the euro right here, and I closed my position. So this is a position, this is a limit order I had pre-market open. We gap to the downside, immediate entry with stop loss. So I lost 1% on this trade. I made 10% on this trade, and I made on EURCHF 5% right here, and 10% on EURCAD. Now let's remove it. And also I had a trade on NZDCHF opened pre-market. We kept to the upside, and I started trailing my stop loss based on market structure, but we hit my stop loss right here around 4.3% win on my account. So overall, it was around 20% win, but also I took some losses on my scalping strategy. We will not see the scalping strategy because I'm still working on it. So these are the trades that I made around 20% on my account when I took them, and also they are all closed. And now we have new opportunities, and there is trades that I'm actually in. So we have Euro JPY. I'm in this trade. We hit the demand zone. We had a shift in market structure. Maybe I should have waited 1 second. I should have waited for Monday because now we might gap to the downside and my loss could be very huge. Okay, so this is a risky position because markets are gapping. Also, I have a position on AUD USD, also entry right here. Data came out negative for the US, and I had my stop loss below the structure. Now we are right here. Hopefully, we don't gap to the downside and price start moving to the upside. Also, on EURCHF, I did not take the entry, although it hit my entry. I removed my limit order because it was around 11 p.m. when markets will close. Now, hopefully, we shall see how it will open, and based on the opening, I'm still bullish on EURCHF. Also, I am bullish on AUD CHF, but there is no limit orders. we shall see how Monday will open. Based on Monday opening, there will be another entries, another stop losses, and another analysis. AUD JPY, same thing. If we gap to the downside, I will enter. If we gap to the upside, I will wait for a retracement. New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, same idea. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, same idea. So I am bullish on all these pairs, and also I have opportunity next week to take these pairs. So based on my fundamental analysis, New Zealand dollar, euro, and Australian dollar are the strongest, and JPY, USD, and Swiss franc are the weakest for me. So I'm looking to buy these three currencies and to sell these three currencies, which will give me nine currencies, around nine currencies to buy or sell. I have right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 opportunities during next week, and NSD, USD, and Euro USD did not hit yet the area where I would like to buy from. Euro USD also did not hit the area where I would like to buy from. Maybe we will create a new demand zone, and based on this demand zone, we will see if a new area will be created for my entry. This is everything for this week. Hopefully, it was insightful and beneficial for you. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for weekly analysis like this. Until the next week, stay safe.